So we are now in train station terminal in Rome, and it's very crazy. So it's until there. This is the Roma termini for train. This is the food and lunch. Atay ilang wifi kinahanglan og code, so sao na to pag-connect. So we are in Roma Termini. Ha? Termini manggod? Termini. Roma Termini. Pero kurang kato. Dapat may samong train time. Its departure is 8 p.m. Napay tubig hastang mahala. 2 euro kayo. Bilang 2 euro? Hala, 16 Hong Kong, 17 Hong Kong dollars. Hala, mahala, uy. No? The water in Hong Kong is only for Hong Kong dollars. The big bunakwa. Oh, very, very cheap. Here, very mahal. Tapos, akong balon kay fried chicken. Ikan sa Indian shop. Shitty kayo, mahal. How much to 7? It's like, kind of not so expensive though. Because 7 times 9 is, ay mahal gihapon. Barato kay Jollibee, kaysa Jollibee kay 53 raman, no? 53 Hong Kong dollars. Mapobre ko. Mahala kayo eh. Gusto mag-travel diri sa Europe kay everything is very expensive. Ang barato diri wine. Barato cute kayang wine diri 1 liter kay tig size ra. Pero di na ko mainom kay lain ako hangover. Last time na inom ko. Ay, sakit ki sa ulo. For me maatog Florence. Mangaon sa McDo. Di ba? Kay grabe ra ba ko gutomon. Unsa man ni?
Bacon cheese fries.
Bacon cheese fries, my favorite.
And then some sort of bacon.
Ham?
Bacon is like smoked cheese burger.
It's a lot. Anything else? Kuyaw kailang tinidor, oh. Duha rin isungay sa ilang tinidor. Parat. Anong parat man eh? Ikapoy na akong parat. Pag ulit na akong hungkong na ako'y kidney problem. Uy, tissue tong? Grabe pong McDo. Ano nang hatag og tissue? Ordo yung McDo. This is the high-speed train going to everywhere. So big. Like it's everywhere. Hard to figure out our atay. Naglagot me. That's our train. Goes to Florence, but Firenze. What do you So our train is not sure yet. It's 22 estimated. So it may change, but we're not sure. Tuara day kana 2 EST platform. Kanang very tanga kayo ming strand. So we go this way. So our train is blue? Magita sa misamong train. Kung asa na dapit kayo. In one platform, there's so many trains. Awa. Pang tulo na ni nga train, tapos ang 4, pang 5. The train just arrived. That's a street train. Wow, it's so long. And this is our train.